Hey y'all, what's up? What's up, hey? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below or hit the like button. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. You just go ahead and do it, okay? Today's video is brought to you by Divatress.com. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. So, if y'all would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey, and y'all, I apologize about the lighting. It keeps going up and down, up and down. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. I was doing all that talking and my microphone was not plugged in. Okay, right now I'm just moisturizing my hair and then I'm going to begin to braid the section. Now, I don't braid my hair all the way down. I do braid it at first and then I continue with a 2-strand twist. I know this may not look quicker, but y'all, it is so much faster. This is the fastest I've ever completed my hair in a crochet lock style. It's a lot easier. Trust me when I say it, okay? So the hair that I will be using today in this video is the Freetress Cuban Gorgeous Locks in 12 inches. These locks are very soft, very pretty, but for all the tea and details on these locks and how I feel about them, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. These locks are very easy to install. So I'm just going to insert the crochet hook underneath my hair and I'm just going to pull the lock through. And once I pull the lock through, I am going to bring my hair and the lock through the loop and I'm just going to tie it. So after I tie the lock, well, loop it. Okay. Y'all, I hate doing voiceovers. I'm going to begin to wrap the lock around my natural hair. And that's it. And once I get to the end of my natural hair, I palm the lock, to secure it and to make sure it looks natural. And I'm just going to repeat the steps to complete this style. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video so you can get my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, I done added some hair jewelry and I'm back with my final thoughts on this look. Okay, so overall, I do like this hairstyle. So I'm going to tell you guys what I like about these locks and what I don't like about these locks. What I like about these locks is that they were very easy and quick to install. Easiest locks that I've ever dealt with to wrap around my hair. Like, it was so easy to install, you guys, and the lock is wide enough to where you can unravel it. Some of the locks are made so tight together that it's hard to unravel to wrap it around your natural hair, but it came out good. I really do like the look. I like the locks. They're very natural looking and they're not too hard. They aren't scratching, because some of these locks that they make are very hard and they scratch you. I ain't gonna say no names, all right, because I told you I've dealt with my fair share of these locks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into what I don't like about these locks. I don't know if they offer a longer length, but I prefer them to be longer because they are so short. It's like they're choppy and they look like stubby finger nubs, and I don't like that. But I did go in and take some locks out because they are so thick they get so thick when you unravel them that it was just like poofy up the top, and then it was like the little strands hanging, the curly hair hanging, and I did not like that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back. I did make my parting spaces in the back a lot bigger, and I think that when I install these a second time, I won't make my parting spaces in the front so close together. But then again, it's like I'm still worried about it looking choppy. So overall, I like the thought of this style and it's cute, but I'm not feeling it like 100%. Okay, so, and also these are hot, y'all. I live in Kansas, and it's like really, 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 really hot. Okay, and when I say my hair was sweating, it was sweating. Like, it was saying, "Go on, girl, go on, get your body wet." Like, literally, drench. Rain down on me. Kirk Franklin was raining down on me, y'all. Rain down on me. No, 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 on me. Like, literally, I was sweating. So I would suggest, if you do get this hair, wear it in cooler months, because your girl was sweating, y'all. All right, so overall, I like it, but, you know, it could be a little longer, and I don't like that it looks so wiggish. You get what I'm saying? The locks are very easy and quick to install. I think for me, it took me a day and a half to do it on myself, because, you know, when you do your own hair, you know, you be BSing, you know, eating, talking, you know, just doing stuff. But I think if I was to sit down and, like, don't stop and go, I think I could do this in maybe 3 hours or 4. I'll leave the link down below to where you can purchase this hair on Divatress.com. Once again, a big shout out to them for sending me this hair to review. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say hey, drop them down below, and you know I will talk back to you, okay? And also, hello to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. Don't be a stranger. Say what's up. You know, I love to talk. Sometimes I talk too much, but I love to talk to y'all. I really appreciate who comments on my videos. Like, thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all so much. We're growing out here in these streets, okay? I'm just so thankful. I appreciate all of you guys for the love and support that you show me. For those watching this video, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I will see you in the next video. Peace.